Welcome into a brand new episode of WSI TV. Enjoy the show.
Welcome back for another brand new episode of WSI TV. I'm Jordan Bishop, this is Mary Kate Mulligan, and Tyler Dressel.
Hi guys, welcome on back. So before we get started, remember to, as always, head on over to WSITV.com so you can access the free WSI TV vault as well as all of the free daily newsletters.
And today's drinks are brought to you by Ed Rowe with Titan Digital Mining, who gave this nice bottle of whiskey to us. So
thank you.
Thank you, Ed.
Thanks, Ed.
It's going to good use.
You should definitely check out the video if you haven't seen it already. It's a couple videos back from a couple weeks ago. Great video, great insight into his crypto mining facility. But before we get to the secret formula that magnifies your profits, I have to brag a little bit here. My pick, NVIDIA, was up the most, 12 to 13%. But you guys did well too. Like, they were
all up.
Exactly, they were all up, but we're going to have a special punishment for this round since it was a three-way round, as the next one will be, and as we'll be bringing you 3 new picks at the end of the episode. So basically, we're going to have Mary Kate and Tyler stand on the side of the road with signs. We're going to film all this saying "hunk," and people have to hunk because they lost. So I believe if they get, we haven't worked out the kinks yet, if they get 8 or 10 honks, they can come back inside. But of course, we'll film all that for you. That will air in the next episode, so make sure you check back for that.
Alright, and now that we're done with that, we're going to get into the secret formula that magnifies your profits. So we all know that market volatility can make some people very wary of investing. You know, it's a little bit nerve-wracking when you see so many stocks heading down. It definitely makes you nervous. So we have developed a secret formula that allows you to make more money than you're supposed to, which is very exciting. And it's super easy. If you are able to buy a share of a stock, then you can use this formula. It's as simple as that.
That's absolutely right. And what we're talking about here, we're looking at the S&P 500, which is the, basically what we look at as the benchmark index, versus the US dollar. And as the S&P 500 goes up, the US dollar goes down, in reverse. People are, buying into stocks. Technically, they're liquidating the dollar, if that makes it easier to talk about it that way. And when they sell stocks, technically, they are purchasing the dollar with their stocks, if I'm saying that correctly. So basically, S&P 500, US dollar goes up, USD goes down, and vice versa.
Right, so you don't have to do any complicated short selling, and we make it way easier than that using this formula. And the important thing is that this will make you more money than anyone else is making.
That's exactly right. So as people, flood into the market as it's going up, of course they're making their gains, but they're not doubling up on this special formula that we have. Tyler, if you could just explain this formula, just give the viewers a little insight into it.
So the formula is actually pretty simple. If you just take SPY plus UDN, that's basically how you just maximize your profits.
Right, so SPY is the ETF for the S&P 500, and UDN is an inverse ETF for the US dollar. So basically, UDN is betting that the US dollar will go down, whereas SPY just bets that the market will go up as the S&P 500. So combining those allows you to maximize your profits. It more than just doubles them. So it's a great thing to do when the market is really healthy and strong and keeps going up.
That's exactly right. And like I said, usually people are liquidating their dollars and going long on stocks. This makes sure that you're capitalizing on that liquidation of the dollar, because obviously as people are liquidating their dollar, the dollar's going to go down. It's going to weaken as the stock market goes up. So you're profiting on 2 fronts here, but it doesn't just work as the market's going up and the dollar's going down. It actually works both ways, doesn't it?
Exactly. So the other way around, you can do UUP plus SPXX. So UUP is for the US dollar. It's as simple as that. If you buy shares of UUP, as the US dollar strengthens, your shares will go up. And the SPXS is the inverse stock for the S&P 500. So it's exactly what we did before, only now this formula is used when the market isn't doing as well. The US dollar will be stronger, so we buy shares of UUP as well as shares of SPXS.
Right, so just to, it's a bit of a mouthful, just to recap here, what you're doing when the market is strong, you're buying SPY and UDN, And when the market's a little weaker, we've seen some volatility lately. People have been liquidating their positions. You would buy UUP and SPXS. So you're profiting on both fronts. You're magnifying your profits here. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. Simple as that. You're just buying the first two or the second two, depending on what the market's doing.
Right, and it's all about just making money while everyone else is losing and making more money than technically you should with just buying into, you know, one stock or a couple of stocks.
Right, and you know, moving on to versus round here, usually I'll let the loser present the next versus round. There were two losers, so I'll let you guys fight over who introduces this versus round, but off you go.
I'll get it over with.
All right.
I'll go first. My pick is MRVL. It's a Marvel Technology Group.
Yep. All right.
And that's
what price is it at?
21.29. Sorry, blanked out there for a second.
All right. Yeah, my pick for this anything goes round of versus is RLH. That's Red Lion Hotels, and right now it's sitting right around $9.70.
All right, so Mary Kate coming at it with the penny stock here. I'm going to go with the penny stock as well, because as you guys may know, that's my specialty. I'm going with TUES. It's Tuesday Morning Corp, sitting around $3.12. And of course, that will be the winner again. So I'll have to give these guys another punishment. I've got 2 weeks to think it up, so I'll go easy this time. But I appreciate you guys being here this time. Make sure you check out that Titan Digital Mining episode we did a few weeks ago, and come back for the next episode.
Stay tuned for the next episode so you can see Tyler and I embarrassing ourselves on the side of the street.
It's going to be great. All right, guys. See you next time. Cheers.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of WSI TV. Be sure to visit WSITV.com where you can subscribe for free with no contract and gain instant access to the secrets of self-made millionaires via the WSI TV Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at WSITV.com.